sorry about that. My video just cut out and my slime started to come together right when it cut out. So yeah, my videos cannot be that long. That video was 17 minutes, I think. Oh no, I have 17 minutes and 46 seconds, or else my video cuts out. So it's at the top right there. You guys can't see it right there. But you guys might not be able to see it, but yeah, it's right there. You guys probably can't see it, but I don't know because I haven't posted this video yet. And you guys can't hear it yet, but soon it will be because I'll upload it and you guys can see it. So this slime is coming together, see? So I just added some borax and it started to come together and then cut out. There. Oh my goodness, this slime is so good. Like, this could be the best slime I ever made, but it is. But this slime thing today was kind of a fail because I did not make jiggly slime. I just made normal slime. Wait, can I still make jiggly slime? No. Guys, I tried. I added water, but did not work. I did not add enough water. And I already added borax. It's very stretchy. Surprised. It's kind of like fluffy slime. It's actually very fluffy. Check out my last slime video. I only made 2 slime videos. So, you guys, it is pouring outside. And the wind is blowing very hard. So, I don't know if you heard that, but it was very. I have to wait until I'm done actually making the slime, which I'm not. That's a tiny bit of slime. Look at how big this slime is. It's like, wow. I was gonna make a mega slime video, but my grandma said we don't have enough stuff, so I decided to make a blindfold challenge. She said, I really don't want you making a blindfold challenge because she don't want me to spill anything or stuff like that. Or, yeah. I don't know why. I think that's why. So then I thought to do a timing video. A time video where I have to make slime in a certain amount of time. But that didn't work out because we had to, because on Spencer's iPad he doesn't have a timer, and my iPad would have to be recording, so that wouldn't work out. My grandma's phone, I can use that, but yeah. So now maybe, and I'll just add a bit more of borax, and then I'll do the slime test. I think my slime is ready. Just trying to hold slime off my hands because it's kind of annoying. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna like make a handprint. Oh my gosh, my hand's stuck. This is a very sticky slime. So yeah, you don't. Fun fact, you don't wanna. It's not a fact actually, so fun thing. Don't. You shouldn't let your. It's a fact that I think. It's an opinion that I think that you should only have your slime be a tiny bit sticky, not this sticky. This is actually good slime, but like, This is kind of like a smoothie, like when you get your raspberry smoothie. It's just like in a cup like that. It has chunks of raspberry or strawberry in it, and it says it's glittered. This actually very does like that. Looks like that a lot. So I've just been like mixing it and playing with it and stuff. Because I just like. So here it goes. Gotta keep mixing it. Okay, now this slime is perfect. And it's like, I cannot wait to do the slime test on it. So I'm going to wash my hands and then we're going to do the slime test. Or I can just like slime wash. Like just do this and just like, move my hand around like that. It's when it's wet, it's like good and it dries up and starts getting sticky. But no, it's not. Oof. This is a long video actually because just this slime is not transforming into mostly because I spilled most of the time. So yeah, this slime. Now let's do the slime test. Okay, so let's just move over here. I'll move the camera right now after I wash my hands. Okay, guys. So my hands are wet, so I do not want to touch the camera. I'm going to go wash my hands. They're still that was a lot of moving. Whoa. Whoa, you guys. The wind is so strong. It's moving the bushes around. It's moving everything around. It's even moving the curtains around. So this is my slime. It's a bit redder than you think in the camera. It's a lot better actually. That's orange in the camera. But yeah, it's a red slime. There's red glitter in it. And we're about to do the slime test. So, first slime test, slime bubble. I don't think this slime will be able to make a slime bubble because slime is just like, seriously. Like, so first test the bubble. Ready, set, didn't work. Second try. I give the slimes 3 tries on each one because, you know, these slimes need to try out stuff too. I mean, practice makes perfect. Okay, that wasn't even a try because I didn't even let it like, that wasn't one either because that was just like, you guys didn't see it. I want you guys to see the bubble though. That's why I have it here. Yeah, it's so hard. It's like this slime is super goopy and it's just like, I always there. That, you guys, I had a bubble. I hope you guys saw that. Because I was not looking at the camera, so I did not see if you guys saw that. Oh, there was a tiny bubble. I don't know if you spotted that. If you didn't, go back and see if you can spot that. I'm like sitting between these 2 chairs. If you hear the saw, it's my papa trying to cut wood. Oh, there was a tiny bubble. Don't know if you saw that, probably not. You did. in the camera all day. Just hi, just like Spencer, he plays video games all day at home, so just look at the camera all day. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna be doing yes. Okay, well, you've had enough tries. One more try. My slime is talking to me. I'm talking to my slime. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay. Yeah, well, this slime bubble test fail. It's still kind of sticky though. Guys, I'm gonna fix that. This slime will not be sticky. A bit. I'm gonna put a bit more that in it. And now I'm just gonna like all around it and just like wash my slime, washing the slime. I don't know if you see that, you guys, but it's actually like working. It's washing my slime. See? That's my washed up slime. It's like white. It's turning my slime white. I'm gonna try doing the slime bubble now because the more still it is, I guess the more easy. It's not as like droopy, I guess. Don't just try to make your slime super still just for the bubble, because that was like not true. So now I'm just gonna add like one more scoop of borax because I really want this slime to be like amazing. Wee. If you've seen that commercial, wee, like the little pig, wee. Sorry, you guys. I just had a piece of slime on my camera. I had to get that off. I do not know if you saw that, but yeah. It's my slime. It's kind of pretty stretchy. Okay. Test number 2. First test was a fail. Test number 2, poking test. Pretty good. That was actually very good. You guys hear that? It's actually like super good. I'm gonna have Spencer come in and judge my slime right after I'm done with the test. Okay, number 2. I have another piece of slime on my camera. Okay, so test number 2. What is it again? Oh yeah, the slime swirl. So Instagram swirl. But you can call it a slime swirl. But yeah, it's an Instagram swirl. Sometimes I call it an instant swirl. I don't know why. Last one. Now swirl it. Oh no. It's kind of sticky, so it sticks to my hand instead of being like, yay. It's like wash. That is my slime washed up. Did you hear that, you guys? This slime just farted. Keeps farting. My slime farted. It wasn't me. But yeah, if you believe me, comment down below. This is like a pearl red. It's like pearl pinkish. But you guys can't really see it. Yes, stop farting. You know those canned slimes that you just like put them in their container like that and they just make fart noises? This is that slime. Trying to like put it in the container. Just kidding, it doesn't have a container. I just need it. So now I'm gonna go get Spencer. I'm gonna try this slime swirl one more time actually. I'll swirl. Okay, second time worked out. So I'm gonna give this song out of 10. I'm gonna give this song a 7 just because I like the pretty color and how good it is at clicking and stuff. So I'm gonna go bring in Spencer and see how he likes my slime. Be right back. Spencer? So he is brushing his teeth and he is coming in. So, show him the slime. I'm gonna call it like, you know how you get the raspberry shakes and they have like some strawberry or raspberry pieces inside of them? That's what the glitter is.
4 stars.
What?
4.
4 stars?
Yeah.
Out of how much? 10?
No, 5.
Out of 5? Yay! 4 stars out of 5. I think that's a really good star. It's really good. I'd give it for like 4 out of 5 too. It's pretty sticky. It's kind of sticky, so yay! So slime 5. Slime 5. I'm gonna give myself a slime 5. So, more slime. More slime. I don't need the equal, right? You guys. So those are my hands. Already. Slime 5. I like stretching it, then having it like break apart or something. Or if it doesn't break apart, just do that. Pull it, and it breaks apart. See, you got more. This one won. Got more. So yeah, it looks like this one won, but actually this one won. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, don't say that because it's kind of like me and Spencer say that when we're fighting. We're like, blah, 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 and we don't care. So, yeah, don't say that. You could say